Hi everybody. Today we'll be testing two plugins by Acoustica, a very good emulation of the Fairchild. Okay, um, I had to bounce them down with the results because they are very CPU hungry. They can eat you alive, to be honest. But the results worth it really. But I cannot turn them on and off while I'm recording because they do a lot of lagging. So I had the file bounced down as loop. Okay, so we'll be hearing this file embedded the plugins on it, and again it's the original without the plugins active. Okay, let's get started. Let's hear first the raw material. Okay. Okay, this is the one with the plugins embedded in it. As you can hear, with the plugins activated, um, the sound is more punchy, less boxy, more upfront, and more glued together. Really nice job. Okay, the original sound okay, but it's more boxy, lacking the punch, and it's not upfront. It's not glued together as much. Okay, so we start with the Ostica right here, the Marine EQ. I gave a boost around 45, okay, around 2.5 dB, okay. I turned the preamp on. I gave a boost around 10K, around 6 dB, okay, and I lowered the output to match the volume, okay. And that the EQ wise, the compressor wise, I gained around 2 3 dB, okay, and I gave a 3 dB gain to match the volume, and it really glued them together. And I did the release around 3, not too fast because the kick is a little bit long, and of course I side chained it, high passed it to 100, 120, something around that, so I don't have the kick um, trigger the compressor, which will make the compressor listen for the lower frequency more than the attack, and will suck the energy from the kick, from the lower portion. We don't want that. We want the lower portion, because remember, this loop's already been, EQ'd and enhanced, but we always need more enhancement in the higher frequency and the mid range to bring them out front. Okay, let's listen again. Who's out? And whiz. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.